So I'm using 2 guavas, 1 June plum and 1 sugarloaf pineapple, or sugar pineapple as we call it in Jamaica, to make a drink. So first I am gonna cut the June plum, and this is a green June plum. Of course I peel it sometimes, but you don't have to peel it. So what I'm doing is to cut away the flesh from the seed. And for the guava or guavas, I am gonna basically do the same. However, I'm gonna discard this. I have to look for worms. Unfortunately, I have to look for worms. In the guava, because I don't want to blend the worms. So I'm gonna use the skin to make a drink separately. So I'm gonna put this into a bag and put it in the freezer until I'm ready to use it. So I'm gonna blend the pine and the guavas and the June plum off camera. I am not gonna add any ginger to it. I don't want any ginger in it. The taste that I'm looking for, I don't want ginger in it. Okay, so I strain the drink twice using a strainer and then twice using cheesecloth, and that is to get rid of the pulps or the pulp and the seeds. So, and then sweeten with your favorite sweetener if you choose this to do so. And now I am adding the juice of 2 limes. Give it a stir, and this is it.